If your Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earbuds keep disconnecting, refusing to pair, or one side randomly stops working, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to reset them the right way. Two methods, both super simple. And trust me, by the end of this video, your earbuds should feel brand new again. Let's start with the first method, the soft reset, the quickest way to fix minor glitches. This method is great if you're dealing with small issues like a weird audio delay, occasional drops, or if the earbuds aren't pairing instantly. All you need to do is place both earbuds inside the charging case. Close the lid and wait around 15 to 30 seconds. But if you want to be extra safe, wait up to a full minute. Now open the case, take the earbuds out, and try reconnecting them to your phone or PC. This simple refresh doesn't erase any settings. It just clears temporary bugs and helps the earbuds resync properly. If your issue is small, this alone might fix everything. But if your earbuds are still acting up, maybe one earbud isn't syncing, or the connection keeps dropping nonstop, then it's time for the full factory reset. This one wipes all saved data and forces the earbuds to pair like new. First, remove the earbuds from the case and make sure both are powered on. Now, go to your phone's Bluetooth list and tap Forget or Remove the Hammerhead device. This ensures no old pairing info interferes with the reset. Next comes a reset gesture. Tap the touch-sensitive area on both earbuds 3 to 4 times quickly. Right after tapping, press and hold the same touch area. You should either see an LED blink or hear a voice prompt confirming the reset. Once that happens, your earbuds are officially wiped clean. Now just put them back in pairing mode, reconnect them to your device, and test the audio. In most cases, everything from sound balance to Bluetooth stability returns to normal. And that's it. 2 easy reset methods to bring your Razer Hammerhead True Wireless back to life. If this guide helped you out, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more fast, simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.